So how can you get a blurry background in a video on Android? And let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, it comes down to the hardware and a specific camera lens you have on your phone, but you can open up your camera and at least explore the options. Because if I go to the regular video mode, it's all fine, but the background is not like blurry. But if I go to the more section, you can see I have some professional modes. For example, I have the portrait video and pro video. So the portrait video is likely what you are going after. You're going to select it like that. And then the subject which you put into the frame, like most likely a person, will be captured with full focus on compared to the background which will be blurry. It's the similar thing to the Apple's cinematic mode. In here it's called the portrait video, but I believe it would be about the same thing. You can also go to the professional video, as I mentioned, and in there you can also manage some different things like the manual focus could be a good idea, as well as the shutter speed, ISO, and all of the other things which might as well make the video look much more professional and most definitely better quality, or whatever you're going after. You can explore the options in here. And keep in mind that we are still talking about the built-in camera. And in the Play Store, there are much more apps which can get the job done. Like apps, for example, like Filmic Pro or Blackmagic Camera, I believe should be available as well. And those third-party options will probably have even more features than the built-in camera. So let me know about that below in the comments if you manage to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.